Hi, I'm Kyle from KG Electrical and we're here with Professional Electrician Magazine. Today we're going to be looking at Thorn Lighting's College 2 fittings for schools and learning spaces. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons below. So we're here today at Lockers Park in Hemel Hempstead. It's a lovely prep school in the sunny Hertfordshire. We're going to be in the maths classroom where we're going to be taking these pretty basic light fittings and upgrading them to Thorn's College 2 fittings. It should be a vast improvement for these kids. I've got my engineer Lewis with me. Whilst he rips down these old light fittings, we're going to go next door and talk all about the products. So Thorn Lighting are well known in schools, classrooms and international learning spaces. They've had their College 1 light fitting around for a decade. This is the College 2, the next generation of their fitting. Within schools and colleges, the light fitting can be key to how well a classroom works. As most of us know, there's a British standard where we've got to meet 500 lux at desk height, and there's minimum glare ratings that we have to achieve too. So Thorn Lighting have really thought about us electricians and support us really well. The College 2 comes in various versions, lots of different lumens and wattage outputs, and the key thing is their free lighting design. All you need to do is provide them with the dimensions of the room and how many existing fittings there are, and they'll make sure you achieve the parameters you need. One of the things that helps them do this is the clever diffuser that they have. It makes sure that it pushes light to all the right areas. It pushes light down, sideways and even up onto the ceiling. The College 2 fitting can be fitted every which way you can think of. There's 8 different installation methods, including the most common ones: surface mounted, suspended and grid ceiling. They're all supported by the suite of videos that Thorn have made for us to show us how to install in each different installation method. And that can all be found in the QR codes in your installation manual. Right, so we're going to take the diffuser off now and have a look inside the fitting. The gear tray is hinged and removable, which means that you can fit the lightweight spine nice and easily onto the ceiling. Once that's up and mounted, it's just as easy to hook the gear tray back on, and therefore you've got 2 free hands to make sure you can do all your wiring. So if you look at the underside of the gear tray here, you can see it's nice, simple, straightforward. We have a Tridonic high quality driver. On the front here, we've got a bi-lens primary optic, which works in conjunction with the diffuser. So as part of the College 2 range, Thorn have various accessories. We have wireless controls, plug-in sensors, and we have these clever little spacers for when you're fitting to a grid ceiling. These clever little spacers work by fitting onto your grid ceiling fixings and making sure that the spine of the fitting is smooth, stable and level. So we all know that Thorn are a major player within the lighting industry. They've been around for nearly 100 years. This College 2 range comes with a 5-year warranty, 100,000 hours of life. Personally, I've worked with Thorn on various projects and always found their support to be fantastic. So here we are back in the classroom. Lewis has been busy. He's got 7 of the 8 fittings installed. I'm going to fit the last one, show you just how easy they are. So that's it, the job's done. We've got all 8 fittings installed. As you can see, it looks really good. It's a lot less glare, it's a lot brighter, and the whole room is a lot more balanced. I'm sure the teachers and the pupils will notice it as soon as they come in. So whilst filming this project today, we learned that we didn't need this wonderful accessory from Thorn. This accessory is only going to be needed if you have the stepped edge ceiling tiles. We've got square edge here, so we could fit straight to the ceiling without using these. So a couple of things that made the install really easy is the removable tray, which means that we could get the spine on the ceiling nice and easy. And when we went to close it up, everything just slotted together exactly as you need and nice and quick. So overall, I think these are a really great fitting. So make sure that when you have your next classroom install, you give Thorn a call and check out the College 2 fittings. Hope you enjoyed the video. For more information on the Thorn Lighting College 2, click the link below and I'll see you next time.